Guys, welcome to an exciting video on my YouTube channel. So I bring you video content on Kizz Daniel tour in Australia. Guys, if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to click on the subscription button. Or if you've been following me, may God bless you. As you like and comment what you think about the video. Thank you and God bless you. Guys, Kizz Daniel shut down Australia like it's been a meltdown in Melbourne. Guy, Kizz Daniel is still planning to move to Sydney, where he'll be hosting the people from Sydney in the next 2 to 3 days. But today it was a boom in Melbourne in Australia. Please watch the video. What do you think about it? Comment and like. Thank you.
Go! Are you ready? Sing! All right, you know what?